Hello, my name's Carol Horlock. I'm the Assistant Principal at Godalming College, and I'm really pleased to be able to explain a bit about the college, about your choices when you finish GCSEs and leave school. So this year has been very strange. It's been like no other, and you're probably just settling down again into school life and study, and it might be hard to think about what lays beyond GCSEs. For some of you, not being at school was great, and for others it's been very difficult. But you've probably learned a lot of skills which are going to stand you in good stead in your future, such as the greater use of technology and the skill of independent learning. So leaving school, there are many options open to you once you finish your GCSEs, but you do have to be in either full-time education or have a job with training, like an apprenticeship. So if you're looking for a place in full-time education, you need to try and think about yourself and what you are like. How do you like to learn? What subjects do you enjoy at school? What interests you in the world around you? And what do you consider to be your best skills, your strengths? All of these questions will help you to understand what you should be considering. If you're not certain, and many people will not be certain, and that's okay, you don't have to know yet. But do talk to other people, ask your friends, ask your family, discuss how your interests and skills can be applied to your future education. Remember, from this point forward, it's your choice what you study, so you need to make the most of that opportunity. So once you've thought about how you like to study and what you like to study, then you can start thinking about where you might like to study. When you're looking around, you need to think about where you would be comfortable, how the school or college can best meet your needs. Do they have specialist teachers? What about the facilities and the equipment? What about enrichment? What can you do alongside your main studies to get a broader, more fulfilling education? And don't forget those practical things like how you're actually going to get there. Don't pick a place or subjects just because your friends are choosing them. This is your choice, so you must make it work for you. So I appreciate in this area, you have got so much choice for post-16 education. You have school sixth forms, general FE colleges, as well as sixth form colleges. So let me talk a little bit about sixth form colleges, why they're unique and why that choice could be right for you. What sets sixth form colleges apart from schools or general FE colleges is that we specialise in that 16 to 19 age group, and we specialise in A-levels and BTECs at level 3. That makes us experts in what we do. We're also part of a network of sixth form colleges where we share information and best practice so that we're always able to provide you with the best opportunity to get outstanding results, to add value to your grades and ensure that you are prepared for your next step, whether that's going to work or whether it's going to university or into a higher apprenticeship. So moving to that sixth form college also gives you the opportunity for transition, provides you a stepping stone to your future, a fresh start in a safe, more adult environment. It helps you to develop your confidence as you adapt to the change in routine, meeting different people, travelling and expanding your horizons. So, what about Godalming College in particular? So behind me you can see the grades achieved by students, real students in real exams in 2019. This year the results were even better, but the exams weren't actually written. So I'm sure you've heard about all the controversy surrounding Results Day. So these 2019 results show that our high results are consistent throughout the years. Students do have to work very hard to achieve their results, and they're committed to their studies, which allows them to fulfill their ambitions. And we're very proud, both of our students and of the fact that we are able to support and guide them with expert teaching in an environment that promotes learning, knowledge and understanding so that students have their choice about what they want to do next. So when you come to Godalming College, you're able to choose the equivalent of 3 core subjects: from A-levels or BTECs or a mix of both. Some BTEC courses we offer cover the equivalent of 2 or 3 subjects, so it's possible for you to specialise in a particular area if you really want to. There are a lot of subjects at Godalming College that you will not have studied at school. You should look at the prospectus. We'll be sending some of those to your school, or look at the prospectus online at www.godalming.ac.uk. We've got a flipbook of the prospectus, or there are course pages on the website with leaflets and short presentations made by a member of staff who teaches that course. So we hope that you'll get a real sense of the course, the teachers and the facilities at college. So the basic entry requirements are 5 GCSEs at grade 4 or above. But there might be specific entry requirements for some courses, which include subjects such as English or Maths GCSE. There might also be specific grades, for example, a grade 6 in French GCSE if you wish to study French at A level. So look out for those specific entry requirements in the prospectus or on the course pages. You're likely to know what subjects are your strongest at school, so use that information along with the prospectus and play to your strengths. Some of you might think that 5 GCSEs at grade 4 and above is a lot to achieve. Others might be thinking that it's okay, you'll get there easily. But whatever your situation and your current learning goals, the message to you is that you should do the best that you can for you. You need to be proud of what you achieve at GCSE, and the more that you achieve, the more choice you will have coming to sixth form, and the easier the transition will be into A-level or BTEC qualifications. So the other side of any college is what they have to offer for enrichment. So at Godalming we have an additional offer called Plus Enrichment, which is unique to us, and we're very proud of the talent that students have displayed in taking these courses last year, but also of the dedication and the knowledge of our teaching staff in providing them. So in the first year, students at college can either take 2 short courses alongside their 3 core subjects. And these can be entirely outside your subject areas or something which just interests you that bit more and you want to delve a little bit deeper. It could be something like robotics, crime writing, architecture of the world, practical podcasting, forensics, or mindfulness. Alternatively, you can sign up for an all year round type enrichment, the standard sorts of things that you might be thinking of, like sports, drama, music activity, or Duke of Edinburgh scheme. This is something that you might take part in for the first year, or love it so much that you wanted to carry it on for both of your years at college. In your second year, you can also take additional qualifications such as core maths or the fantastic extended project qualification. So this extra enrichment helps you to become more competitive in applications for either work or university, but they also provide the opportunity to meet students from different areas of the college, take part in something different that isn't necessarily study-based, and help you to develop your own interests. We're very proud of the fact that each subject area has outstanding industry standard equipment for you to use. You'll have everything you need to complete the course and ensure that you have the knowledge and skill to progress on to the next level. There are incredible study spaces, silent study, social study, library and study areas in each of the buildings where you have your lessons, so you can find the right place to suit your needs for independent study outside of your lesson time. On site, there are also social spaces. We realise how important it is for you to meet and work with your friends. So you can use the dining room, Costa Coffee, Starbucks, Bistro. They all have food on offer, but also a place for you to relax, meet friends, or do a bit of group work. Of course, if you're involved in enrichment, we have some of the best sporting facilities in the area, with a multitude of studios for dance, drama, music, and performing arts. Now, the atmosphere in college is fantastic. Sense of community is absolutely important. We're working together, staff and students, to help students achieve their potential. Students call staff by their first name and really tend to enjoy that more adult learning environment. We also value our role in the community, and we work with schools, colleges, employers and universities. There's lots more information on our website which will give you lots more detail about some of the things that I've discussed today. So we've got a list of pages that'll be useful for you, but do browse, have a look at all of the website. Don't forget to look at the virtual open evening date and take a look at the virtual tour of the college. Hopefully we'll be able to welcome you in person at some time soon, but for now we need to keep everyone safe. Many thanks for your patience and for your time.